Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x, and let me share with you how to free up storage without removing the apps. So first of all, we have to remove the app storage for specific apps, preferably those which are using a lot of time. So let's start with opening the settings. All right. Again. And in the settings, we have to scroll and find the section apps. Then let's tap on app management. And here we've got the list of all installed apps. So as I said, find those which you are using frequently, and those which are working a little bit slower than before. Tap on them. So in my case Chrome, and tap on storage usage. So here we've got this cache section, and simply tap on clear cache, and your device will immediately remove junk files which are not necessary, but they are occupying a lot of memory. I do not recommend to tap on clear data unless you want to remove everything. So don't do that, and as I said, just go through all of those apps and remove cache. Another thing is to check the downloads, because let's be honest, usually we download a lot of things and then forget about them, but obviously they are still here occupying the memory. So I highly recommend to go to your files or file manager. It doesn't matter which one you're using, whether it is provided by Google or whether you're using My Files, which is provided by the developer, or any other third-party file manager. Simply go to your files and try to find downloads. Okay, give the permissions. Here in the sources, we've got downloads. Let's enter. And obviously, I do not have anything here because I did not download anything. But if you've got here some documents, some videos, photos, just look and try to remove those which are not necessary, because you will release some memory. Another thing which can help you is to go to Phone Manager. It is pre-installed app, so for sure you've got one. Just find it and then tap on it. And you can try to tap on Optimize, and your device will automatically try to optimize itself. Or you can go to Clean Up Storage, and here we've got specific sections which you can remove. You can simply tap on Clean, and you can check the details, what will be removed, so as you can see the cache junk. But under it, you've got a deep cleanup. So for example, if you've got a lot of photos, you've got duplicated files, then it will show it to you. I mean, your device will show it to you, and you can try to to remove them to release some memory. And the last thing is to consider moving all of your photos into the backup section, let's say, for example, to cloud, to Google Photos, to OneDrive, where you will be able to store the photos and videos, and at the same time you will be able to remove it from your phone, so you will release the memory. Of course, you can check different videos of how to back up the data in this device on our channel. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.